Good morning, traders. This is Curious Combo. It's Monday, March 17th, early in the morning. I'm walking you through the charts, looking here at DAX starting from the daily time frame. It's going to be an interesting day. U.S. retail sales is going to be published at 8:30 New York, followed by the business inventories and home builder confidence index. But U.S. retail sales will move the U.S. markets, and DAX is for sure follows suit. We have been forming a double top, as you can see on the daily time frame. However, the story is totally different on the Dow and the S&P 500, as they have been dipping for hundreds of points for the obvious reasons during the last week. The stock futures have fallen again after Dow posted worst week since 23, so be aware of that, as the retail sales will be published early in the morning, and this will be European time around between 3 and 7 when the market will be affected here on the DAX. Looking at our range, it is still between 23,488, last week's 22,515, so this is our range. As you can see, the double top is forming. We're using my double stochastic strategy. The slow one has separated from the fast moving stochastics. They are pointed upwards, looking that they might group to the upside, but be very cautious about this because they can group and then form a downward movement according to the markets. We do not trade on the daily time frame. Instead, we move from the overall market sentiment downwards to the hourly time frame. And as you can see, since the Friday's strong move upwards from 22,472 to all the way 23,044, so good 300-400 points since Friday open. We are currently highly overbought, so even on our hourly time frame, we have to drill down 15 and to 5 minutes where we enter and exit our trades. Again, the fast one is grouping up to the upside to the overbought territory, and 5 minutes tells us the same. So DAX lives its own life according to the European defense stocks and what is going on in the ceasefire negotiations between US, Ukraine, Russia, and the other international community. If you're new to the channel, you can see my previous video about how I use my strategy, and I ask you to hit the like button just right next to the subscribe button and leave me a comment so the other traders will have the opportunity to evaluate our strategy that we use on this channel. The markets are mostly pointing down on the international level, as the futures on the Dow has already dipped some 0.5%, so be very cautious and careful, trade smart. I will be here all day watching the markets and taking my positions carefully. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this strategy, and I'll see you tomorrow.